and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are removing a door panel on an '04 Honda Civic. We're replacing this door glass here, and we are going to start with our little panel right here behind our door handle, which is kind of the obligatory hiding spot for some screws. Just going to use a Phillips here, and that is a really big plane. Take these two screws out here. We've got our iron hide repair cover here doing double duty, protecting the seat from the tools. I'm going to pull this little handle away here, and you're going to see this little guy right here, and you're going to want to push this off of there. Do not push it from the top up here, because you can snap this little clip off, this little hook edge off of here. So you're going to push that from the bottom, slide that around, and then just slip that up off of there. Set that aside. Then we take our ever-present screwdriver or our install stick, either one, and we're going to take our little gift from Jasper here. We got one of these Matco little pry popper tools. I haven't posted it yet, but I did a little bitty unboxing on this thing, thanking Jasper for it. And if you're not in the glass industry and you're a bouncer, makes a good fist pack too. These things are heavy. So we're going to flip that open. We're going to find this little spot right here. You see that little gap? And there's a tab in there you can push that's going to release this. Slide that right in there and just give it a twist, and that'll pop right off of there. And put those away. And then we got two more Phillips down inside here. We got one right there and one in that hole right there. So grab this one real quick first. Gonna back that one out. Then we'll back this one out. Then we should be able to pop our door panel loose from the front corner here, like so. Just work our way all the way around. Then I'm going to give it a lift from the front, give it a wiggle. That'll pop loose. And we'll look on the back side here, and going to figure out how to release this plug. The tab is on the back side here, and you got to push it pretty hard to get that to release. So that is your door panel. Then in order to replace this glass, you're going to have to remove this little mullion here in the middle, and there's a screw hiding right there. I'm going to pull that screw. Go slow with these, or use a hand screwdriver, because for whatever reason these little guys strip out super easy, and a lot of times somebody's already been in these and replaced these, and they've either over tightened it or they tried to remove it when it was already over tightened. Grab our 10 mil, and we're going to pull this one and this one. We'll pull that up later. Don't forget that, you'll need it. And then let's go ahead and take this rubber out of the channel here, because we're going to want to clean all that out. Slide this out. We're going to go ahead and remove this all the way around to make sure we got all of the glass out of that. Then you can slide this out of the way. This is going to slip up. You can see it's got a hooked edge there, so when you go to put this back, you're going to slide this up, give it a wiggle, slip it in place, And you can see it's got a little tab there that you need to clear and then align your screw hole there. So again, when you're removing it, just giving it a little wiggle here, and that should slip out. That came out nice and clean. I'll set that aside. Then we can slip this out. We can slide this off of here. See if we can get behind there and pop that little plastic tab up so we can get this edge off of here. Come on. There we go. We can slip all these up and out of the way. Slide that off of there. Make sure we get all the glass out of that as well. And then this is all nice and clear. We can take this guy off. We'll put that back in our other piece here. Maybe. And we'll just leave it there. But we can slip this out, make sure there's no glass down in this channel, and then clean all this out. And you are ready to vacuum out your door, remove all your broken glass like right here. And that is getting into the door, the passenger rear door of an 04 Honda Civic. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.